How to fix FPS drops and lag and freezes stutter in War Thunder. So if you want to fix your FPS drops, lag or freezes or stutter in your War of Thunder, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Steam. After opening your Steam, you need to go with your library section, which will be in the top left, and then go with the game. So in my case, I don't have that particular game. I'll just simply go with an example. Like for example, just simply go and select your game, right click on it, and then you'll find an option of properties. You need to click on it. After that, you will have an option of browse local files. You may have that option on your manage as well. Click on manage and then go with browse local files. After that, you need to find the game.exe file, then right click on it, go with properties. Under properties, you can go with the compatibility section. Under compatibility, you will have disable full screen optimization. So you need to click on apply and then OK. Next, you need to open up your settings. And from settings, you need to go with graphic settings. Search for graphic settings right here. Click on it. And make sure to turn on hardware accelerated GPU. After that, you need to scroll down, go with browse, and then go and select the game from your Steam and set the GPU preference to high performance. Then I can go back to your settings, and here you need to search for date and time settings. And make sure the region is set correctly and make sure the set time automatically is turned on as well. Now you can go back and then go with your search again and search for view advanced system settings. Make sure that you're on your advanced settings and then you need to go with performance and then go with settings. Under that, you need to go with adjust for best performance. After that, click on apply and OK. And this should give you the best settings for the FPS drops. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.